Say, okay guys, we're gonna cook some shrimp. And what is this?
Lemon.
Lemon. We're gonna cook some shrimp with some lemon and some broccoli. And what else? What is this?
Corn.
Corn.
Yeah.
Chef Bugatti and little chef, what's your name?
Mark.
Mark. Little Mark. Okay. What you got? Say we're gonna chop up some, what is this? What is this?
Nina.
No, what is it?
Wow.
It's garlic.
Yeah.
All right.
Right.
So now,
Now.
what's next?
Next.
Yeah, what's next?
Next.
What do we do next?
We be.
Huh?
Oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah, you gotta squish it. And then you peel it. Huh? Garlic. So we're gonna make some Cajun, hot and juicy style shrimp. Yeah. You gonna stay here? You gonna tell everybody how to cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. My little chef.
Yeah.
What you got? A spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna help me stir the broccoli when it's ready?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Say, all right, all right. We'll be back with the next. What? What's next? Tell them.
Next.
Yeah, what's next?
Boom.
The bowl?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We'll be... Tell them.
Bowl.
Okay. We'll be back with our next bowl.
Bowl.
Yeah.